Landing at Istanbul Airport and need Wi-Fi right now? Don't pay a single penny. I'm going to show you the exact two-step process to get your free internet access. I'll cover the basic 1-hour free access and the unlimited hack for Turkish Airlines passengers. Let's not waste a second. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Key takeaway: know the networks. First, you need to know which network you're aiming for. Everyone gets a complimentary hour on the IGA Wi-Fi network, but if you're flying Turkish Airlines, you might be eligible for the unlimited TK Wi-Fi. Check your status. We're focusing on the general IGA Wi-Fi first, which works for all of us. The critical verification step. This is where most people get stuck. You can't just log in. You need a code from the official Turk Telecom kiosks. You'll find these bright blue kiosks everywhere in the terminal, near gates and restaurants. You have two options here: passport or mobile. Option A, the passport hack. If you don't have international roaming, this is your best bet. Place your passport's photo page into the scanner. The machine will print a little receipt or display a code on the screen. This code is your key. Option B, the SMS method. If you have international service, simply enter your mobile number. The kiosk will send the one-time access code via SMS to your phone instantly. Logging in and the time limit. Once you have that code, go back to your device. The Wi-Fi portal should open automatically. Choose either passport login or mobile login based on the method you used. The unlimited TK hack. Quick bonus hack for my Turkish Airlines flyers. Forget the 60-minute limit. Connect to the TK Wi-Fi network instead. When the portal opens, you can log in using your miles and smiles details or your flight ticket number. This often grants you unlimited access throughout the airport. Check your eligibility before you fly. That's all it takes. Which hack are you going to use? Let me know in the comments. If this video saved you money, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Thanks for watching. Safe travels.